And viewers, our top focus this hour, of course, remains the Rajkot tragedy that has claimed 27 lives. In fact, as we speak, Gujarat Chief Minister has reached the tragedy site and the rescue efforts are still on to find the 5 missing people. Now, this even as 27 people have lost their lives. So there are speculations being made that the death toll could rise further. Shivang.
That is right. And what we are learning is that there was no clear fire escape plan, with the gaming zone operating without essential clearances and safety protocols. Questions arise regarding the accountability. An SIT has been formed to investigate the incident, while the owner and the manager face interrogation in custody.
Most of the victims in the TRP gaming zone fire have been charred. These families shattered that they couldn't even get a last glimpse of their loved ones. In a few minutes, the fire at the TRP gaming zone spread like wildfire. Watch this raw footage from different angles. On one side of the gaming zone, firefighters struggled to douse the flames and pushed through the hot, mangled mess. While rescue operations stretched into the night, the struggle remained to find and pull out the bodies. A closer look at the facts of the case demonstrate glaring lapses.
एक हमें लगभग 4:30 बजे कंट्रोल रूम पे फ़ोन आया था। उस हिसाब से तुरंत एम्बुलेंसेज और फायर ब्रिगेड यहाँ एक गेमिंग जोन था वहाँ पहुँची। ये टीआरपी गेमिंग जोन में जो टेम्परेरी स्ट्रक्चर था वो कोलैप्स हो चुका था। अब आग जो है लगभग 2 घंटे पहले उस पर काबू पा लिया गया है, पर जो मलबा है उसे निकाला जा रहा है। ये राहत और बचाव की जो कामगिरी है ये चल रही है जी। इसके लिए राज्य सरकार से एक हाई लेवल इंक्वायरी कमेटी का गठन करने का कार्यवाही चल रही है। अभी हम राहत बचाव कार्य में लगे हुए हैं। जैसे ये पूर्ण होता है उस दिशा में आगे तपास की जाएगी।
Watch this video. It shows flames engulfing a tin shed, a temporary illegal structure that did not have many clearances. Inside, the firefighting equipment was not in working condition. In fact, these visuals reveal that they were wrapped in plastic and kept isolated, never opened. The first questioning of the fire department also revealed that neither did the gaming zone have a fire NOC, nor was any application ever submitted.
ये हमें कंफर्मेशन चाहिए था कि एनओसी वगैरह नहीं था ना ये मॉल के पास में?
नहीं, हमारे पास नहीं लिया मैम।
आपके पास से नहीं लिया था ना?
नहीं, अभी साइट के ऊपर उसका अभी हमने यहाँ देखा तो उसका काम चल रहा था। पाइपिंग वगैरह, इंस्टॉलेशन वगैरह, स्प्रिंकलर वगैरह का सबका फायर सिस्टम का काम चल रहा था मैम।
तो सर अगर एनओसी नहीं था, इक्विपमेंट नहीं था, तो ये गेमिंग जोन चालू कैसे था?
पता नहीं मैम, हमको हमारे पास आई ही नहीं मैम। हमारे पास अप्लाई भी नहीं मैम।
आपके पास एप्लीकेशन ही नहीं है इस मॉल की तरफ से?
नहीं।
पर सर ये अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन मॉल है कि ये कंस्ट्रक्टेड है पूरा?
इसमें मैम ये पूरा फैब्रिकेशन के ऊपर है।
हाँ।
टीआरपी गेम जोन था और पूरा फैब्रिकेशन के ऊपर था। कोई आरसीसी का कंस्ट्रक्शन वगैरह नहीं था।
अब किस तरह से आगे आप इनिशिएटिव लेंगे, क्या एक्शन लेंगे इसमें?
नहीं, तो अभी इसमें किसका परमिशन है, पहले उसको ये राइड चलाने का परमिशन सब कुछ आता है। उसके बाद हमारा सेफ्टी का एनओसी, उसके बाद ही वो चालू कर सकती थी। उसके इन्वेस्टमेंट का ये इसमें आता है राइट वगैरह, तो उसका भी परमिशन होगा। जो नगर डिपार्टमेंट का वो पता नहीं है अभी कैसे क्या होता है।
An SIT has been set up to probe the fire. This, while the owner of the gaming zone, Yuvraj Singh Solanki, and manager Nitin Jain are being grilled in custody. The social media account shows the TRP gaming zone was operating since March 2021. If yes, who allowed them to operate for over 3 years without permission?
So we'll be going to our colleague Jatin in just a while, viewers. But those visuals coming in of the horrific fire tragedy that occurred on Saturday. And this is a gaming zone in TRP Mall in Rajkot, Gujarat, catching fire, leading to the deaths of at least 27 people, injuring many others. Now, we know that, unfortunately, many of those who were charred to death were children. And these children were present in large numbers in the gaming zone because due to summer vacations which are ongoing. Many children were inside the mall to spend time indoors because of the heat wave. The police are trying to identify the deceased from the charred bodies, even as there is a talk of DNA tests. The Rajkot fire incident has revealed that there has been multiple lapses in security. And the question that we're asking is, why were there these lapses, and who are the people who need to be held accountable that this kind of incident happened, leading to the lives of so many innocents being lost? Now, the probe is revealing some serious lapses in the Rajkot gaming zone. And Samiksha, if you could take our viewers through what is the latest coming in on the case. We see that the CM has also announced compensation.